front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate, enable and how to use one-handed mode. First of all, you need to find it. To do that, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it. Here, go into additional settings and tap on one-handed mode located in accessibility section. Then use gray switcher to activate it and follow all of those instructions to use it. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it again, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!